Eating disorders. Ekaterina Karabasheva, Jourvie, Berlin.
Do you know which is the most deadly mental illness in the world? It is eating disorders. Anorexia, bulimia, and binge eating. Worldwide, there are more than 70 million people affected by these illnesses, and only half of them get completely recovered. 1 out of 6 even dies. I was one of these 70 million people. I'm a former anorexia patient, and I know exactly how challenging it is to go through the recovery process. Food is not your friend anymore, it's your enemy, and this tomato you see on the picture might be the only meal for the day. During the therapy, you also have to fill out a food journal after each meal or each drink, where you write down what you ate, where, with whom, but most important, how did you feel about it? Were you afraid of the food, or were you able to enjoy it? These are very important things to talk about later with your therapist. As you can see, as maybe you can think, having these papers with you the whole day is not exactly the most easiest thing to do. But what you can see on the picture is how lonely and hopeless you are during the therapy. You don't get the support you really need because you don't talk about the eating disorder. It's a taboo topic. And this is the wall I want to break. I founded a non-profit called Jourvie, and together with my team, we developed a smartphone app to support the people suffering from eating disorders during their recovery process. These are usually young girls and boys. We replace the paper diaries with digital ones. We provide them with coping strategies. You can understand tricks and tips for difficult situations. We connect them with their therapists. And most important, the biggest vision is to create a community where it's okay to talk about this. It's okay to talk about the problem, not only with others affected, but also at the outside. By this, we hope to make the therapy of eating disorders easier, more efficient, and as I said, the biggest vision is to create a community and break the wall of the taboos around eating disorders. Thank you. Yes, we cooperate with the Charité University Hospital here in Berlin, and we also talk to a lot of therapists who want to try out the app together with their patients.
How many patients do you have so far?
We've been testing it for 8 months now with around 240 users, test users.
One question on the pod.
Does it change it with the patients you tested it on?
We get, like, 8 months is not a long period enough to see long-lasting changes, but we get very good feedback from the users, like they have a feeling of empowerment, and again, as I said, from the therapists who want to implement this in the therapy.
Last question. What does it cost?
It's for free for the patients. Thank you.